large white birds with black wingtips. What explains that? What advantage do black wingtips convey that is important enough for the trait to have converged in several unrelated groups of birds? Cranes and geese, for example. And we recall the American white pelican from our discussion of formation flying. The black pattern in the wing is confined to the flight feathers, the feathers that provide the motive force. Northern gannet is a relative of the pelicans. Not all large white water birds have black wingtips. The swans don't, nor do the egrets. Actually, you don't have to be large or white to inherit black wingtips. This is a willet, a sandpiper common on North American coasts. Many of our gulls show black wingtips. Some birds of prey have black wingtips, like this adult male northern harrier. The snow bunting is a small songbird with the black wingtip legacy. Melanin pigment protects feathers from harmful UV radiation, just as it protects human skin from sun damage. But for birds, the melanin not only provides black coloration as a sun shield, it adds strength and durability to the structure of the feather. As the feather is forming, grains of melanin pigment fuse with the feather's keratin proteins and bind the structure together. Extreme strength, but very little weight. Just the ticket for setting course for distant lands, or settling a discussion that has got out of hand. If the referee has no melanin, he'll have to discuss that with his ancestors. So, if you are a seabird or a long-distance migrant, hanging on flight feathers in the wind and sun, what you need most is the durability that melanin builds into your propellers. Before you replace them, your primary flight feathers must deliver about the same mileage that humans expect from a set of tires.